Hi kids, welcome back and welcome to Fun World of Jack. So today I'm going to teach you how to braai. So I'm going to get the ingredients and then when I get home I'm going to show you how to braai. Dad, come, follow me, let's go get some meat. How about some lovely sausage? Big one. Come on kids, let's go put it in the trolley. I'm on my way to the Millies. Now let's go. Oh, nice. Come guys, follow me. Really to the Millies. Sorry sir, can you get me a please?
Okay, anytime. Right. Which one is? Yes, there we go.
Daddy.
I hope you enjoy your meal here.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Hi everyone, I just got home. Now, no hunt braai. Now let's see if we have everything. So we have wood, check, firelighters, check, braai, check, braai tongs, check, and some meat, check, and some songs, check. To the people who don't know how to make a fire, let me teach you. So, first, you have to put in some firelighters. Next for the wood, and I'm going to teach you how to stack it. So, stack it here. This one looks like a pretty good one. Wait, let me just. All good. There. There we go. That was easy, right? I'll see you in a short round when we're gonna start braai. Okay? Now for the chicken. Lastly for the mealy. Oh, good. Now for the spice, I'm gonna spice the meat. Now I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna put on a little bit. Trying to not put a lot. Okay. This smells delicious. Now I'm gonna turn. Ooh. Can you smell the blood? It smells good. Now I think the chicken is ready. Now let's put it on the plate. I think it smells yummy. Now for the tasting part. It tastes good. Please remember to subscribe on the red button below. Bye.